A few small design details can make a big difference to how easy a chart is to read. In this video, I'll show you how to highlight differences between lines, add min and max labels, and bring focus to your final data point. If you'd like to follow along, there's a link for a worksheet underneath the video. In this session, we're going to look at some more options for line charts. First, I'm going to go to the lines, dots and areas section. And here we've got options like increasing the width or the opacity. But I'd like to shade between our lines. So we can do this by going shade area between lines and then writing the lines that I want to shade between in this box. And the syntax is just here. So we need line 1, 2 colons, and then line 2. And I'm doing this because I really want to emphasize how the two lines diverge during the Eurozone crisis. Next, let's go to the chart we were working on in exercise 1 and add a few more things to it. Okay, we're going to go back to lines, dots and areas. And then right at the bottom here, we've got dots. And we can change this so the dots are off, on, or we have the final dot only. I'm going to increase this just a little bit. Next, we're going to go to labels. And if I show labels on data points, we're going to see all the labels, which is a bit much. So I just want to have the last one and the highest. So here we've got last, here we've got min and max. But if I go to custom, and this little paintbrush, then I can add last and the max data point. Let's just put a paragraph between these.